Hi, this is Craig with S&B. Today we're going to be installing our hot side, cold side pipe on this 19 to 24 Ram Cummins. Just a breakdown of the kit real quick. We're going to be replacing the factory plastic pipes with this 3.5 inch polished aluminum tubing. We have 4-ply aramid reinforced silicone hoses, stainless steel T-bolt clamps. Basically future-proofing your Cummins. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna get started by removing this shroud. We're gonna remove the factory intake system so that we can get to everything a little bit easier. So first off, there's numerous push pins across the top here. Now this thing should come off. All right, there's two 10mm bolts holding the intake scoop on here, here. Not disconnecting the battery, we're just going to remove the sensors without unplugging the harnesses. These are loose. We'll pop this harness off of the airbox. We could probably get this all out with the airbox. All right, we can loosen this hose clamp on the intake duct here. And we'll loosen it down here at the turbo. All right, now we can remove the airbox. All right, now we're going to loosen the T-bolt clamps underneath the turbo here. We're on the passenger side. So there's just one clamp here, and then there'll be one down at the intercooler. And then this whole pipe will come out one piece. Looks like there's a clamp here, but this is like a solid clamp here. Like a solid clamp there, so. All right, now we're down on the passenger side, down at the intercooler pipe. We're going to loosen this hose clamp. Should be good. All right, got it loose from the bottom, loose from the turbo. We can just drop that out from the bottom. Probably easier. All right, now over on the cold side, driver's side, we're gonna loosen the hose clamp here, up at the intake elbow. And there's only one up, there's one right here. This one's a solid one. And again, a solid one there, and then there's just one down at the intercooler. So we got this one loosened up. And we'll go down underneath and get it freed up from the intercooler. All right, now we're down at the intercooler. Take this clamp off. It's probably easier if you just take the whole clamp off. All right, we got the clamp loose here at the intake elbow. Get this side off. We can snake this. Okay, we're gonna start by installing this cold side elbow loosely down at the intercooler. We'll just press this on, get it on there loosely. Put that in there, we'll get our clamp where we can get to it. Alright, everything's loose here, so we can rotate everything once we get the tube in. We're just checking to see where we want the hose clamp to end up, and we'll just slide it down on there. Might be easier to get it there. We'll do it from this end. Repositioning the clamps. So it'll be in there like that. Snake this down. There's a hose coming off this power steering reservoir, so you want to make sure that you're up underneath that. Okay, so we got this all mounted up loose. Now we can push this down into our elbow down at the intercooler. We already got that clamp down there. It just kind of fell down, so get that. Right direction. Into place. Now we'll just start tightening all the hose clamps. Tightening all the hose clamps, we'll start up top. You'll want to tighten these bolts until about the spring compressors there, or a 74 inch-pounds. Okay, we're going to do the same process for the hot side here on the passenger side. So we're going to take our elbow, we'll put it onto the intercooler, get it all on there loose with the clamps there in the right direction. Alright, so we're going to take our elbow, smaller end goes onto the intercooler. Again, leaving this clamp loose where we can get to it. Get this on there. We should be able to get to the hose clamp like that. This hose clamp may want to spin. We'll check that out from up above. We try to rotate it as much as we can from down here to where it's going to end up, and then we'll do the rest up top. Come back and tighten these up later. Do this, we'll put the coupler on here first. Now we'll snake our tube. Okay, so to get this tube, we're gonna go, this is actually the bottom side, so we're gonna snake that in between this AC line. Go down and then spin it around. There we go. Now we're in the boot down. And here we'll make sure the bead's in where we want it. And we can tighten all these clamps up. Tighten them down, then we'll go to about 74 inch-pounds. All right, so we just finished the install on this 19 to 24 Cummins hot side, cold side intercooler kit. Pretty quick and painless. Give us a call if you have any questions.